my next Modern Quilters box. It actually arrived a couple of days ago and I have been dying to pop into it. Oh, here we go. Okay, our lovely vibrant green again. That. Let's get into it. Oh, tissue. Oh, we've got Jennifer Sampu's collection. Sky is this one, and oh, let's just get to the fabrics, shall we? These beautiful ombre colours across the whole fabric. She was down under in November for our Australian quilt market, and I listened to her speak, and she was really interesting. I really enjoyed the talk, and these fabrics, I've been itching to get some. There are some beautiful quilts that she had with her at Quilt Market, and absolutely gorgeous. Loving those colours. So there's, what are they, 2-inch strips, 2.5-inch strips? Yeah, 2.5-inch strips, and we've got some in the lovely pink sky colours, the morning colourway. They are beautiful. And gosh, there's a few more as well. Wow, we've done very well. Got lots of beautiful fabrics. Some to the oranges and to the yellow colours as well. Wonderful. What pattern have they given with us? It's called Duet, and lots of using the 2.5-inch strips. Just a nice simple pattern, but really effective with these colours. Beautiful colours. Beautiful. Oh, got a little Madeline. Lolly or cookie, and we've got some holiday chai tea, and oh, what's our little notion goodie today? Oh, some wonder clips, nice coloured wonder clips, always handy and always useful. Can't live without them. And oh, here's another little pattern as well. What do they call it? Malaga, and again with 2.5-inch strips. So that would be quite good with the ombre strips as well. You'd really get to see the ombre. So that's cool. And the block of the month is just this lovely rainbow coloured square or plus block. That's really cool too. And oh, a sticker. Got a sticker. Gratitude is the best attitude. I so agree. That's cool. Wow, this is wonderful. I'm so excited to get some of this sky fabric by Jennifer Sampu. If you haven't seen it or haven't seen her book, check it out because it is really awesome.